Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Helen Grace Jimenez. I am 29 years old and I have 6 years old child. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking, traveling, and tutoring. I have 3 years work experience here in Philippines, and I am serving 2 adults, 1 child, and newborn baby. My duties are to take good care of the newborn baby, send and pick up the child to school, cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes. I like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and for the better future. To my future employer, please hire me because I am honest, loyal, and responsible. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities as your helper. Thank you and looking forward to work with you as long as possible.